to introduce you to the Frayer Model. It's a vocabulary strategy. Um, and the great thing about the Frayer Model is that it's very customizable. You can kind of tweak it to however you want it to look. And it's very broadly applied. You can use it in my class for reading. You can use it in your math class, social studies, English, even PE. Okay, so it's not just a reading thing, but it's very much just a speaking and thinking and learning thing, right? So let's get to what it looks like. Um, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's fairly simple. You don't have to have like a printed worksheet that I give you. You can write this on a plain sheet of paper. You have the definition, characteristics, examples, and non-examples with your word in the middle. And like I said, you can tweak it to however helps you learn. I will show you how I've tweaked it from how it was taught to me. So you start off with the word in the center. For the purpose of this one, I'm going to do one of the words that we've seen in our article, Online Disasters, and that word is consequence. In the upper left-hand corner, you have the definition, which is a result or effect of an action or condition. You can also put the definition in your own words, but I think that the dictionary definition suffices for this purpose. I also like to include things like etymology, such as that it comes from Latin consequentia, and follows closely, and some related words would also help me to think of what it might mean. So we see this sequential, where we also get the words sequence, and sequel. So you think of the movie or the book that comes after, or the order of things. Right? Next, we have the characteristics or the facts in the upper right-hand corner. One characteristic that I like to put is that consequences can be good or bad. They're not always bad, which is what a lot of people think. They're definitely good consequences. Is a direct result, so another consequence or characteristic or fact. Other things that might help people in this upper right-hand corner, since characteristics and facts kind of get a bit murky sometimes, is to use it in a sentence such as, she made honor roll as a direct consequence of all of her studying. Other people who are more artistic than I am like to draw pictures. You don't want to see me draw a picture, so I'm going to spare you that. In the lower left-hand corner, you have your examples, or I like to say synonyms. Getting grounded is an example of a consequence. Getting good grades or being celebrated are also consequences. Those are on the good spectrum. Some synonyms are a result, an outcome, ramification, or effect. Non-examples or antonyms, these are going to be in the lower right-hand corner. Talking too much in class, so this is not the consequence, but kind of the reason, the cause of why you might have gotten grounded. And studying and doing homework would be the reason why you got good grades, why you got celebrated, hint, hint. Right? But these are not the consequences. These are kind of the things that led up to the consequences. Antonyms for consequences are source, reason, or cause. Think cause and effect. Now it is your turn. I'll take two other vocabulary words from our story, impulses and reputation. I want you to fill out the Frayer for these two words and then show it to me later. All right? Good luck and have a fantastic day.